Hello friends, welcome to Tono's tutorial. This tutorial shows how to bold text in Microsoft Word using your keyboard. Let's get started. Here I have to take a resume. If you want, bold the name, then select the name and press Ctrl B for bold. Now here I bold professional summary. Now select professional summary and press Ctrl B. If you want unbold a text or a line, then select the line. Here I unbold email address. Now I select email address and press Ctrl B. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.